Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So today we are here to talk about the components of health related fitness, which I told you in previous part that properly you have to watch the videos or properly you can understand how separate it is, how different these two topics are for us. Don't be confused. So physical education, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, it is a +1 class, it is part 8th. Component of health related fitness. Components of health related fitness. These are the health related fitness. In last part we completed components of wellness. Health related fitness means which are beneficial for a good health. A individual who is good in health related fitness, easily he can do all type of work in the in his daily lifestyle, or he will not face the problem of general disease, or he will not feel fatigue during the work. Okay, so health related fitness, simply that word giving the meaning as health means our health related, which are related with our health. First one is cardiovascular fitness. One thing I want to tell you that when we are doing the physical activity, so what happen, the working process, or we can say the working capacity of our heart, our lungs and our muscles, it also increase. During the activity they have to do a lot of work, or that lots of work bring cardiovascular fitness in the muscles, in the lungs or in our heart. Cardiovascular, it is related to our heart or it is related to lungs also. Through physical activity, what happen when we are doing physical work, so automatically a demand came from our muscles, because the glycogen which is in our blood, that is used by the skeletal muscles, or if it is used, then muscles demands the again oxygenate blood from the heart, or oxygen from where it will come, through lungs we will intake that oxygen, or through alveoli that oxygen mix in our blood, or that blood go to our heart, we can say left atrium or ventricle, or it will go to the muscles through aorta or rota, what it is, everybody have a different pronunciation. So or that oxygenate blood sent to the needed muscles, or which muscle is involving in the activity. But during this physical fitness, our heart become healthier, our heart becomes strengthened, our heart become more strong. How? When we are doing physical activity, when muscle require oxygenate blood, or that pumping of heart, even normal beating, 72 beats per minute, that lup dup 2 type of sound came out from our heart. So on that time, a muscle demand lots of blood, oxygenate blood, that our heart pump speedily, not 72 beats per minute, depend on the frequency of work, depend on the capacity, or depend on the nature of the work. If the loaded work is there, maybe that heartbeat increase, it will go till 200, 180, 170. So it strengthen our the muscles of heart, like cardiac muscle, the layers of muscle that endocardium, pericardium, myocardium, it will become strong, or that chamber of heart, the size of chambers, it will also increase if we do loaded or good physical activity, or the size of arteries, it will also become bigger. Okay, so it is known as the cardiovascular fitness. If cardiovascular fitness is good, a individual can do any work for long duration. Even after completion of the work, a individual will not feel the fatigue. So it is the significance of cardiovascular fitness. Without fatigue, individual can do work for long duration. Okay, it is known as the cardiovascular fitness. Second one, health related fitness with our muscles. 2-3 point will come out from the muscular system. Muscular strength. Muscular strength means a individual if do good physical activity, he will follow the good schedule which are giving them good physical activity, so it will strengthen the muscle. If muscle strength is there, so individual can perform any type of work in the daily lifestyle. So that is known as the muscular strength. Okay, muscular strength required for the any type of work. Third one is muscle endurance. Both are different components. Strength means capability of the muscle, endurance means duration, for how much time a muscle can do work. That is depend on the muscle endurance. If muscle endurance is also good, strength showing any type of work, loaded work can do easily, or endurance, that loaded work a individual can continue for long duration. So that is known as the muscle endurance. Okay, repeatedly any individual can do work for long time. Fourth one is body composition. Here we are talking about the percentage of fat or type of tissues. We know that in male, percentage of fat must be 15 to 18 or 19, or in female it should be 20 to 25%. Don't relate it with BMI, body mass index, it is different one. Okay, 15 to 18 or 20 to 25%. Through which method we can calculate it? Through skin fold method. Skin fold method. In skin fold method, what happens? Clippers are there. They attach it. They implement it on our body, like here, on legs or back also, or in the end that distance, like we can say breadth of that clipper, yeah, clipper we can say, ratio of all the that where we implement that clipper, that ratio which will come out, that is known as 15-18%, 20 to 25%. Okay, so it is known as the body composition. It is also required for the health related fitness. If the fat percentage is under these norms, then a individual is fit and fine, easily he can do work. If it is more than this, the person, individual face heart disease, blood pressure problem, diabetes, back pain, these type of general disease take place in the body of the individual if the fat percentage is more than this. You know, nowadays the diabetes, fat, back pain, we can say postural deformities because of fat percentage, high fat percentage. These type of general disease take place in the individual. Next one is flexibility. Flexibility is the range of motion of joint, range of movement of the joint. Means in previous part we completed about flexibility. If flexibility is good, easily we can do work in the daily lifestyle. We will not face the general injuries, sprain, strain or muscle pull. So automatically it is also a health related fitness components, that is flexibility. Okay, that muscle strength, muscle endurance, body composition, flexibility for our posture, these all things are very necessary. Flexibility is good, that tendon, ligament, length of the muscle, that extensibility, excitability or that flexibility of the muscle, it should be good. Then we can do any work easily. Even static or dynamic flexibility. Static means no movement, dynamic means with movement. So all type of work we are doing in the our daily lifestyle, like sometimes we sit or continuously we have to do work, but if we have good flexibility, good muscle strength, muscle endurance, then easily we can sit for a long time or we can continue our work without any problem. Or if we don't have this type of flexibility good, then we will face problem. Even we need something where we have to sit, or then we will continue the work. But sometimes what happen, situation, this type of situation came in front of us where there is no facility, we have to perform with our capabilities, we have to perform with natural we can say environmental conditions. Okay, so flexibility is also required for the any type of work, or it is also relating with the health related fitness. So for today this much, we'll see you in the next video. Or one more thing, it is final part of this chapter, final part. Okay, that chapter 3rd, it is over. Next we will do physical education and sports for children with special need. Okay, for today this much. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते.